another episode of POPxo Style School. On the days you want to spice your style up and give your frame a better structure, try a knot. These simple waist accentuating tricks can upgrade your basic outfit into something trend-worthy. So here we are with 3 simple techniques of tying knots the right way. A regular knot on the shirt never stays in place. Ever wondered why? Because it's not the right way to knot your button-down shirt. Instead, try this cutesy bow-style knot. The shirt wraps beautifully around the waist, accentuating those curves. It's super quick and a perfect addition to your everyday getting ready routine. Why choose boring when you can go for brilliant? Instead of wearing a shirt in the same old way, let's spice things up a little. Use your bra to give your basic shirt a chic style upgrade. Create a knot through the bra and there you have it. A high street crop top look in seconds. Be it your paper bag shorts or high-waisted bottoms, they all deserve a perfectly made bow. One that cinches your waist properly and makes your OOTD look stylish. And this tie hacks works the best. Make the loop on one side and bring the other side around the loop before taking it through the round to create its own loop. And that's how a perfect knot is born. That's it for the video, guys. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Do let us know what you think about them in the comment section below. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.